So we got a special package in the mail today from K'NEX. Kale earned some Angry Birds minifigures for answering a survey online. So we're doing an unboxing to see what exactly is in here. Go ahead, see what it is.
It's warm. Another box, and it's I played Angry Birds Space, but not really Angry Birds.
Jiggle.
Blah blah blah. I guess this is what's in there. There's more on the other side way. I think I just. Yeah.
I'm gonna have to cut the tape. Okay.
So now I'm gonna. Do I open it like this?
Yeah. What is in there, sir? Oh, the suspense.
The suspense. And I think there's just a whole bunch of bags.
Muscles.
This is hurting my.
Maybe Daddy could help.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
All the minifigures.
It's like. All the gizmos in the sun.
Wow. Wow, thank you, K'NEX. That's awesome.